Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video which is for a free and open source AI gateway. This is OmniRoute, this is their GitHub repository and their website. And let's look to the features of this free AI gateway. OmniRoute is a free AI gateway and never stop coding. Connect every AI tool to 237 providers, 90 plus free. We have 90 plus free providers to use. Okay, we will not worry about switching the models because it will auto switch the models whenever it needs. And it will give us 1.6 billion documented free tokens per month and 2.1 billion in first month whenever we sign up with the credits aggregated across the free tiers plus a long tail permanent free. So we will not worry about the tokens. It will give us 1.6 billion tokens per month, and we can use it with the cloud code codex cursor client and other agents for free. So the has 237 providers and 90 plus are free that we can use through one endpoint, and we can move through their GitHub repository and see all the features like 1.6 billion tokens per month and read all about these features like why we would like to choose OmniRoute. Let's check this like 237 provider, 90 plus free providers, routing strategies. You can just prioritize the models, token compression, built-in MCP server, A2A agent protocol, memory, guideline, cloud agent, TLS fingerprint, multi I1842 local languages. Go through their website. This is their website, or you can go through their GitHub repository and see all these features that they have. And the best part for us is that as we are talking about the free AI coding, so today we will just set up this OmniRoute on our machine, local machine, and use it for free with the free providers. So let's get started. Okay, so to get started for that, we will just come here to the quick start setup. Okay, let's go down to the GitHub repository and we will find the quick start. Okay, find this part, and here it says to install and run it, we need just this command npm install globally OmniRoute. Copy this command and we will move to the dash to the terminal. Like this is a folder. I have created a project. Right click and open this path inside the terminal and paste that command npm install -g. G means globally OmniRoute, and press enter. The OmniRoute has been installed. Now let's go forward. As you can see, to run it, use just OmniRoute command. So let's copy this and run it. Simply paste OmniRoute and press enter. So it will run the OmniRoute. As you can see, the OmniRoute is running now. So warning, you are running Node.js 22.19 Node.js quantity. So let's select app to open. Okay, so to open the URL, okay, this URL dashboard URL. So for the dashboard URL, I will use Google Chrome just once. So it will open the OmniRoute dashboard for us here locally. Okay, it is running locally. So come here back to the terminal, and it says 2222 for this LTS line. So you should update your Node.js because I'm using Node 22. You should install the latest version. So I have updated my Node.js, and so let's rerun OmniRoute. So native binary drop failed. So there is an error. You update our roaming against different. Yeah, we have installed. I will just rerun the previous command to reinstall OmniRoute, and we will rerun. So I have reinstalled and relaunched OmniRoute. Now there is no, as you can see directly, we have the dashboard because before the Node.js was outdated. So I updated that. As you can see, it is asking sign in. So enter your password. So the default password is written down. Do not change me. Simply copy this and paste it here and continue. So we will now, it says invalid password, default password unless initial password was set. Simply paste this, continue. Yeah, we have logged in successfully. So thanks. Now this is the dashboard where we can manage everything. Here we can just generate API key. Here we can set the providers, and here we will select free tier. Okay, because we are using our all videos are related to free AI models. So we have here 99 free models. So select this, and here we have lots of tools and to use free models from them. And here the API key endpoints, commit the combos, we can change the setting. These are all their features that you can go one by one, like CLI code. These are something. Just come here. First of all, I need to come back. So just come here to, first of all, we need to providers. Let's select free providers. So which one would you like to use, like anti-gravity, CLI? These are different tools that we can use. I will select one of them. Like we can find, I will just search for, look at open code, free, open router. These are all tools. So I will test. I can select open code free, this one. So add account, you need to add just your account. So no authentication required for this one. Okay, it is enabled. Let's add account. Yeah, the account has been added. Just one account. Let's go back. So come here back to the free tiers, and we can select. Yeah, let's connect it with our agent. So for example, I would like to use open code. So let's use open code application. There you can use the CLI of open code, or you can use the cloud code CLI or kilo code. So you can use all of those. Simply I will just delete this session and come here to the settings and to the providers, and we will find now custom provider. I have already connected with Zillow, OpenRouter, these, so I will disconnect all these. I'll also open code Zine. Yeah, that's it. Cloudflare, I will disconnect Cloudflare, and I will disconnect open code Zine also. That's it. And let's find now the OmniRoute. Let's commit to the OmniRoute. If OmniRoute was not listed, then we will use custom. Okay, select this custom provider. And here we need to add our provider ID, that is OmniRoute, and the display name like OmniRoute, just a display name. Here the base URL. So for the base URL, go back here and come here to the endpoint. And this is our base URL. As you can see, let's copy this. That's copied and paste it here. To the API key, we will generate our API key. Come here to the API key. Let's create your API key. That is, assign a name like test. That's it. Generate, and let's copy this API key and paste it here. So here we need to add the models. Okay, so models, just for that we need to add the models ID. Just come here, how we can find the models. Providers, pre-tier. Let's, like I have used open code. Let's select this, and how we can find the ID. Yeah, these are the available models. Okay, for open code. So let's copy the ID of them, like which name we should copy. This is big pickle, so let's copy this one. Okay, the big pickle, and come here and we will add this, and let's add big pickle. This is the, and we can add any other name like minimax m2.7 free. Let's copy this also and add another model, paste the ID, and here minimax 2.5. Just these two are okay. Press submit. So after pressing submit, now let's use it. Okay, let's come here down and we will find OmniRoute. As you can see at the end, we have OmniRoute, Big Pickle, and Minimax M2.5. Let's select Big Pickle and we will check, is it working or not. Hello, is it configured successfully or not? Yeah, let's run. It is thinking. Yeah, great. We have configured it successfully. Now we can use all these models for free. You can use any other free tier providers. Like just come here to the provider, select free tier, and here you can select like this one, which one you want. Just add your connection here, and then you can copy the model name and add that to the open code or cloud code or kilo code or an agent you want to use. You can use that. So it was all about the OmniRoute setting, how to configure, how to connect, and how to use these free AI providers. And don't worry about the switching of models. You have 1.2 billion parameters every month. So if the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.